Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore the cutting edge of interior design. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of contemporary living rooms, spaces that push the boundaries of style and innovation. These living rooms aren't just a collection of furnishings, they're carefully curated sanctuaries that reflect the evolving tastes and sensibilities of modern living. Join us as we step into these dynamic spaces and discover how contemporary design can transform the heart of the home. Let's begin our journey through the bold, the inspiring, and the utterly unique, the world of contemporary living rooms. Imagine stepping into a living room where space and light reign supreme. The walls, painted in a crisp, monochromatic palette, provide a serene backdrop for the room's focal point, a sleek, low-profile sofa in a neutral tone. Its clean lines and streamlined silhouette exude a sense of modern sophistication. Complementing the sofa, a pair of sculptural armchairs in a contrasting material, perhaps polished metal or rich, textured leather, offer additional seating while adding visual interest to the space. A minimalist coffee table in a natural stone or tempered glass anchors the arrangement, its simple form allowing the room's other elements to shine. Underfoot, a solid-colored area rug in a muted hue grounds the space, its low pile creating a sense of seamlessness. Overhead, a statement light fixture, perhaps a geometric pendant or a sleek, recessed design, casts a warm, even glow, illuminating the room's clean lines and elegant proportions. Large, unadorned windows frame the view beyond, blurring the boundaries between indoor and outdoor living. This contemporary living room is a study in restraint, where every element is intentionally selected to create a serene yet striking atmosphere. Step into another living room where texture takes center stage, elevating the space with a tactile richness. Imagine running your hand along the smooth, matte surface of a concrete accent wall, its subtle imperfections adding depth and character to the room. The furniture in this space embraces a mix of materials, from a plush velvet sofa in a rich jewel-tone hue to a pair of modern high-backed chairs upholstered in a supple aniline leather. Throw pillows in a variety of textures, chunky knits, sleek velvets, and nubby boucles add visual interest and an inviting tactility. On the floor, a boldly patterned area rug in a monochromatic palette grounds the space, its geometric design echoing the angular forms of the room's architecture. A solid wood coffee table with a live edge or a sculptural steel and glass design sits atop the rug, its distinct materiality complementing the room's textural elements. Accent lighting, such as adjustable wall sconces or a statement floor lamp, casts pools of illumination that highlight the room's diverse textures and create an atmosphere of dynamic sophistication. Now, imagine stepping into a living room where bold sculptural forms take center stage. The space might feature a dramatic, angular sofa in a rich, saturated hue, its striking silhouette commanding attention. Complementing this statement piece, A pair of modern swivel chairs in a contrasting material, perhaps polished chrome or matte black, offer additional seating with a distinctly contemporary flair. On the opposite wall, a freestanding fireplace with a sleek, minimalist design serves as a sculptural centerpiece, its clean lines and smooth surfaces creating a striking visual focal point. Above the fireplace, a large-scale abstract artwork in bold colors or geometric patterns adds an additional layer of visual interest, transforming the wall into a work of art. Underfoot, a solid-colored area rug in a deep, earthy tone grounds the space, allowing the room's sculptural elements to take center stage. Overhead, a striking light fixture, perhaps a cascading chandelier or a series of suspended geometric pendants, casts a warm, diffused glow, further enhancing the room's sense of modern drama. The result is a living room that feels like a curated gallery, where every piece is a work of art in its own right, seamlessly coming together to create a space that is both visually stunning and decidedly contemporary. As we step into our final contemporary living room, we're immediately struck by the way personal touches have been woven into the design, creating a space that feels both stylish and deeply reflective of the homeowner. Perhaps a beloved piece of mid-century modern furniture, passed down through generations, stands as a cherished focal point, its streamlined form complemented by the room's more modern elements. Or a custom-designed built-in shelving unit displays a curated collection of books, artwork, and decorative objects that tell a story about the homeowner's interests and passions. Throw pillows in vibrant, saturated hues or abstract patterns add pops of color and personality, while a statement area rug in a bold graphic design grounds the space and sets the tone for the room. Throughout the space, carefully selected lighting, from sleek, adjustable sconces to a sculptural floor lamp, casts a warm, inviting glow, creating an atmosphere of comfort and sophistication. The result is a living room that feels like a personal oasis, a space that celebrates the homeowner's individuality while embracing the tenets of contemporary design. It's a room that invites you to sink in, relax, and immerse yourself in the owner's unique vision. As we conclude our exploration of contemporary living rooms, we're reminded of the power of design to transform the heart of the home into a space that is both visually stunning and deeply personal. These rooms go beyond mere decoration. They are carefully curated sanctuaries that reflect the evolving tastes and sensibilities of modern living. By embracing bold forms, diverse textures, and personalized touches, the homeowners have created living spaces that are not just beautiful, but truly reflective of their individual styles and lifestyles. We hope this journey has inspired you to consider how you might incorporate contemporary elements into your own living spaces, crafting rooms that are both visually striking and deeply meaningful. Remember, the true beauty of this design approach lies in its ability to create homes that are not just aesthetically pleasing, but truly unique expressions of the people who inhabit them. If you've enjoyed this exploration, Please like this video and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more design inspiration. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What elements of contemporary design most appeal to you? Until next time, may your living room be a sanctuary of modern sophistication, a space that nourishes your soul and elevates your daily life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the captivating world of contemporary design.